Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Genevieve. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how I made a cute hairstyle using a half wig. So I actually made the half wig and I'll put a link to the video how I made the half wig. So if you're interested, please kindly click on the link to watch that video, okay? Alright guys, so moving on, I'm going on to section out the front part of my hair because I made a little zigzag cornrow in the front. So I'm going to do that, and I'm also going to attach a little extension to it because the front of my hair is thin, so it's not really, it doesn't have enough width. So that's what I'm adding the extension. But if you have a very thick front hair, you can go on to use just your hair, okay? So I only did that the first two cornrows in the front, and then the other one I only used my hair because that part of my hair is thick. So I'll just go on to make a cornrow. This hairstyle is pretty easy and is really cute. I love it. Okay, so guys, I'll be making different hairstyles, different cute styles, beautiful styles with that half wig. Okay, so this is one of the styles that I've made so far. So with time, I'm going to be showing you different styles you can achieve using a half wig. And guys, I must say, half wig is a must have because it's really cute. Please keep on watching. Okay guys, so I'm done making the cornrow in the front. Okay, so I'm going on to use a spray gel, got to be spray gel to apply on it just for extra hold, and I'll go on to use edge control to slick the front. For this part, the back, if you can make a cornrow if you want to, but I don't want to carry this hair for a long time, so that's why I just did it this way. So I just packed up my hair, used an elastic band, hold it together, and that was it.
And because the half wig is a coily wig, so the back of my hair don't necessarily need to be very flat. But in this situation, if your half wig is a straight hair, you need to cornrow your hair so it will lay flat, okay? So you don't have like bump at the back.
Alright guys, so while I was waiting for my hair to set, I went ahead to do my makeup off camera. So this is the headband wig that I made. I showed you the combs that I have inside and then the band. Okay, I attached all of those. Alright, please don't forget to watch that video to see how I made this hair. It is so beautiful. Okay, so all I did was just pop that bubble in my hair and then use the comb, hook it on my head to secure it, and then afterwards I went ahead to use bobby pins to secure it properly, okay, so it don't fall off from my head. I know the comb is doing the job, but then I need extra security, okay. So guys, we are about to see the final look of this hair.
In 3, 2, 1, action.
Oh my goodness, it came out so beautiful and I love it. So guys, if you've not subscribed to my channel and you watched this video to this point, what are you waiting for? Please kindly click on the red subscribe button to get subscribed. Turn on the notification bell so you get notified on any of my new uploads because I have loads and loads of them coming your way. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like and comment. Beautiful comments in the comment section. And also don't forget to share this video to your friends and family. And guys, I have lots of videos I'm going to be making with this half wig. I'll see you in my next one. I love you. Peace.